does every day. So come with me, I'll take you there, I'll take you.
So we're here in Fort Myers, and today, sorry, it's a little windy. Today we are going to metal detect, and this week we're going to do a lot of fishing, so stay tuned. Oh wait, I forgot to mention, how close are we to the beach?
We're staying at a church here that was demolished in the last hurricane, and they have a harvest host, so that we're allowed to stay there and do a donation or some service acts. We're going to do a little bit of service, and maybe also a donation since it's so nice. But we're about 100 yards from the beach here at Fort Myers.
Yep.
Amazing.
You could see the beach from our window. I'll definitely show you that. It's very exciting. I mean, where else can you get a view of the beach? This is why we love RV life. Seriously, why we love it. 2 seconds, he already got something.
2 seconds, we got a signal.
There it is.
It's a penny.
Sorry. It's so shallow.
So we think this is an egg case.
No, I know it is.
So we know, the wife knows that this is an egg case. Well, I thought it was a snake when I brought it in. Pretty
It's actually for a whelk.
Oh, it's a whelk egg case. Pretty cool.
We cannot stop catching ladyfish. Angel wing. Kind of looks like an angel wings too, doesn't it? I actually saw a video of them swimming in the water and they're really cool, so I'll put the video right here. Clam. I'm gonna put him back. He was like dug right here. Put him right back in there. God, live a happy life, buddy. No! Wow, that is so light, it flew out of my hand. Aw, it's cute. Turtle.
We're here at the Beach Stand Bar and Grill, and I got the hazy IPA. It's delicious. Very good.
Look at us, we're in swings. We could just swing.
We're swingers.
We walked here, it took us about, I don't know, when did we leave? Yeah, it took us like 2 hours to get here, but we were metal detecting and looking for shells, so in all fairness, we came
It's a little cold here in Florida. We're buckled up today.
cold. It sucks. I'm waiting for warm weather, which is going to be next week. Oh my God.
Fort Myers Beach, known for its beauty, white sand beaches, palm trees, beautiful Gulf of Mexico, and then of course, Hurricane Ian that absolutely ripped apart homes and businesses here 2 years ago. Since then, there have been 4 more storms: Hurricane Idalia, Tropical Storm Debbie, Hurricane Helene, and then Hurricane Milton.